Hello, everybody, and welcome back again to the channel. This was a barn find that I searched out about 2010. I seen this on Gumtree and thought, wow, I've got to go and have a look at this. I had a tilt tray at the time, so I jumped in the truck and travelled down to Taree. And young fella that had this was a deceased estate, his father's car, and I had a look over it and told me all about it. He told me about going to the Holden showroom to order the car at the time with his dad, sitting down with the salesman and telling him, I want this car with full electric windows on all five doors. I want it in electro blue metallic. I wanted white roof and the bone trim, uh, which was all written down. And the salesman guy said to him, you're going to be waiting for months, probably nearly a year, for this car to come. And my dad said, just order it. And he did. Anyway, I was fortunate enough to purchase it from the guy and get it on the truck and bring it back to the Gold Coast and start dismantling it to restore the car. As you can see from these photos, just immaculate. This car was so well kept. And Taree being a bit inland is quite a dry area as well. So I was really pleased with the result as I was unwrapping it. None of the bolts in the car were seized or jammed right up. You've got to remember, it's an old car, so 1970 HG. And it was ordered Trimatic 253 V8. Um, and just a really, really nice car and very, very rare. I haven't seen anything like it. I haven't seen another one like it, not ever. All the shows I've been to. But as you can see by these photos, once the paint's been stripped off, this car was just immaculate. Made my job easy. There was just, dents to repair. Occasional bit of rust in around the back windows, um, bottom sections of the front guards because the mud gets caught up in there. So that's a given with this model car. You've seen in the previous videos that I've just put up with the HK guards being done on the Monaro. Yes, anyway, the car went to a guy, Stan from Albury, Wodonga. He bought the vehicle off me once all the metalwork was done and took it back to Albury and proceeded to move ahead with it, had it painted and trimmed, and decided to put a 6.2 litre LS V8 in it. And wow, what a job he's done. So credit to him and the guys down there that he employed to finish it off. And you'll see in the photos towards the end of the video how it all turned out. Truly a very, very special car. I haven't actually seen it in the flesh since it's been finished, just the photos. You'll see a picture of Stan standing beside his trailer there when we wrapped it all up, ready for the trip back to Albury. And it was a happy camper. There you go. The trims were done in Adelaide by the original trimming factory for Holden. That's why they look exactly like they should. He changed the colour, and I think he's done the right thing there, going to the blue to match the blue. Sleeper looking car, just smoothies on it. And there's the 6.2 litre V8 engine. Compliance plate of when it was built. And a truly, truly, truly special car, especially when you talk about Holden collectors' cars. I know it's not an SS or a Monaro or anything like that, but beautiful, beautiful car. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you soon.